The Faith Diet System plus 4 free bonuses. Discount applied. About who is the Faith Diet team. The Faith Diet team is led by Father Christopher White. Father White has always strived to live a life in accordance with the Holy Gospel while helping others do the same. He's also been a renowned fitness advocate and enthusiast for all of his life. This innovative program is made specifically for active Christians and is an inspiring and empowering plan for helping believers get the most out of one of God's greatest gifts, our bodies. The Faith Dint helps people of all shapes and sizes drop their unwanted extra body weight and healthier than ever before, and feel as happy, inspired, and grateful as God intended. Weight loss pie chart. This is an example of your 1-month weight loss journey if you would follow a car. The Faith Diet System offers the best tasting and best valued weight loss program on the market. Carefully. Today, we will review a weight loss guide with the name of the Faith Diet that is based on the approach mentioned in the Bible. The Faith Diet Overview. The Faith Diet is a unique type of program that shows up 2,000 years old approach for shedding off the extra fat from the body. You will get complete knowledge on why the majority of exercises and diet pills don't give the desired results. The complete program is based on a secret that has been written in the Christian Bible. There are more than 10,000 people who have successfully reduced their weight within first 30 days. The weight loss regimen mentioned in the Faith Diet program is perfect for the individuals who don't have much time for their health. The program is created by Simon White, who is a church father by profession. Here, White has shown what the main reason for obesity among the people is. The price of complete access to this program is only $37. That is pretty low. The creators are only recovering the cost that they invested in the research and promotion of the program. Your payment will be processed by the ClickBank, who is one of the world's best payment processors. In order to make sure the buyer stay worried-free, the author is giving a 60-day money-back that is an added advantage. You can claim your money back if you don't find it useful at all within first 2 months. The author is also giving 4 guides free with the Faith Diet System that is simply incredible. We will explain about each of these guides in detail below. What would Christ eat? The Food Shopping Gospel. This program will tell you about the foods that have been mentioned in the Holy Bible for eliminating the extra fat out of your body. The modern lifestyle has resulted in people eating lots of cramped food on a daily basis. However, you will get a chance to know the foods that people ate in the ancient time. Lazarus Discovery Fat Healing System. This bonus guide will show the right way to set your body's fat healing system based on the Lazarus Discovery. Prayer Discipline Relaxation Guide. The Prayer Discipline Guide will let you know about the techniques that can help in relaxing your body from the daily stress. The Guardian Angel Fat Burning Encyclopedia. In this bonus guide, you will get a chance to know about the complete process to trim the fat out of your body efficiently.